In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into a Notion database and then export it back again, all in less than 5 minutes. This is a super handy skill for anyone managing data across different platforms. So, whether you're tracking projects, managing databases, or organizing personal information, knowing how to quickly move data in and out of Notion can save you plenty of time and effort. Let's jump right in by opening up Notion. Once you've logged into your account, navigate to the Settings menu. You can usually find this on the left side of your screen. Just look for the little gear icon that signifies Settings. Clicking on it will open up a menu with various options, but today we're focusing on the Import option. Give it a click and you'll see several formats you can import from. For our purposes, selecting CSV is essential, as that's the file format we're working with. Once you've done that, you'll notice a prompt to Choose File. Clicking this will open a window allowing you to locate your CSV file on your computer. Find that file and select it for upload. As you do, Notion will start processing your data, but there's a bit more setup to ensure everything lands correctly. After uploading, you'll need to match your CSV columns to the appropriate Notion property types. Things like dates, text, or numbers need to be aligned correctly for your data to display as intended. Notion will try to auto-detect these types, but definitely double-check them. Sometimes automatic detection can make mistakes, and you'll want to adjust any discrepancies to ensure that your database functions without a hitch. After you've matched the fields, it's time to import the CSV. Click the Import CSV button, and voila! Notion will create a fresh database populated with your data, perfectly aligned with your input. Now, on to the next step. Exporting. Find the 3 dots icon at the top right corner of your newly created database page. Clicking here opens up more options. Select Export. In the Export options, you can choose between CSV and Markdown and CSV as your export format. This choice will depend on your needs or how you intend to use the data afterward. If you're exporting pages along with the database, you also have the option to customize the page format to suit your preferences. After deciding on your export settings, simply click Export. Notion will then provide a download link or automatically start downloading a zip file containing your exported data. Once the download completes, you can open this CSV file directly in Microsoft Excel or any spreadsheet software you prefer for further analysis or sharing. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to manage your data with Notion, from importing to exporting. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.